On behalf of Samoha world, we welcome you to Harry's Kitchen. Today in Harry's Kitchen, we are going to see the preparation of Andhra style Kara chutney. This spicy chutney is a perfect match for idli, dosa. You can even use it as a side dish for puri, chapati, and it goes very well with curd rice also. Before watching our program, kindly don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get our video updates regularly. Please come, let's watch the program. Let us see what are the ingredients required for preparing this. Tomatoes 3, onion 1, garlic 1 full, tamarind gooseberry size, red chillies 10, curry leaves few, Dhaniya 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds that is jeera 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon or as per taste, oil and mustard seeds for tampering. Wash the tomatoes thoroughly and cut into pieces. Cut the onions lengthwise and keep it ready. Now keep a pan on the stove and when heated, add the red chillies and curry leaves and roast them well. Add dhaniya, jeera, tamarind and garlic cloves and roast them till you get a nice roasted aroma. Remove them and after that gets cooled, add them in a mixer jar and grind it to a coarse powder. Now add oil in the pan, put the onions and roast them till the raw smell goes off. Remove it and add the cut tomatoes and saute till they become mashy. After it comes to a normal temperature, in a mixer jar, add onions and tomatoes and grind them to a paste. Again, add oil in a pan and when heated, add mustard seeds for seasoning. Add the onion and tomato paste to the pan and add the masala powder we have prepared. Now add salt as per requirement. After the chutney gets thickened, garnish it with finely cut coriander leaves. Now, spicy, tasty Kara chutney is ready. Serve it with hot idlis and enjoy. Hope you have enjoyed watching our program. Like, comment and share our program. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get our video updates regularly. Thank you.